Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this esLife candle lighter. That's an upgraded electric arc lighter with safety switch. They come in 4 beautiful different colors. I have 3 of them here. I wanted to show you also this packaging because this would fit as a really nice gift for your family or friends. So they're well packaged, nicely protected, and they come with this short charging cable, really convenient. Here you can see how beautiful they are, and not only beautiful but also capable, and at the same time very safe to use because they have this safety switch. You have to push this in the front position and then you see the charge. It's 25, 50, 75, 100%, and if you want to use, then you give it a push here and you can see the light, so you can use it easily for this candle here. Can see how easy this works, so you will never have to be worried again that you run out of gas or you have to refill at the worst moment. It has some nice overcurrent protection, overheating protection, overcharging protection. It's really good. It has even this extension tip. I mean, it's not a full size gooseneck, but it helps a lot. So you can see how easily this works here also in this candle holder, and on the other side you have this hook which you can use to hang it up, and it comes also with an automatic turn off. If you're using it too long, like after 7 seconds, it would automatically turn off to prevent overheating and damage. By the way, after using them, of course, don't forget to turn them off because otherwise it will drain the battery. And here we have the charging port. You can see you can easily charge it in 1 or 2 hours, give it full charge, and then you can use it for a long time to ignite whatever you need to ignite. And if you're worried about the durability of such kind of lighters, I can assure you they are very, very reliable. I've been using such lighters for years. I've just decided to buy new ones because they are super stylish and come with these advanced features and safety features. Yeah, really nice one. Advanced features, nice style, beautiful. So I can give you full recommendation on that, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.